Bam! It is here. After 4 months of me waiting for this baby, it's here. What's here, you may ask? Why is this box so big? What's in it? What's in it? What's in it? I'll show you. So, since I don't have a fancy intro right now, I can't do one of those cutaway scenes into my or cutaway effects into the video, so it's just gonna be a raw first impressions unboxing video. I can't even think, man. I am beyond excited. I can't even process thought or words. All I know is this is a keyboard that I'm unboxing. I ordered this keyboard February 23rd. It is now, according to my phone, Monday, May 9th. Monday, May 9th. This keyboard arrived today at like 6 p.m. I can't wait any longer. I have to unbox it. But before I do, guys, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more videos. This is nothing but gear. Let's get on with this unboxing. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff there's a lot of tape to get through. Yeah, just gotta cut all this tape out of here. Give it the old stab. Oh, good thing I have a good knife. Let's hopefully I don't cut myself. That would not be good content. Okay. Let's see if I can open it like this. Oop. Ah, fuck it. I'm destroying the box. There we go. Oh yes. Oh god, I can't even take the box out of the box. Oh my god, yes. Is there anything else here? Nope. Let's put that to the side. Put this knife over here. There it is. Look at this baby. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is peak keyboard. This is perfection. This is the IQUNIX Wormhole OG80. The things that this keyboard comes with is, let's see, as for the switches, I opted into the TTC Gold Pink switches because based on Bad Seed Tech's video, those sounded the best to me. Although at the end of the day, all switches sound the same except blue switches to me. I'm not a keyboard aficionado, I'm just a keyboard casual. And RGB, also cherry stabs. That's the thing. When I first bought this keyboard, they had Co-Star stabs and cherry stabs, you know, stabilizers. And the Co-Star ones are garbage because if you want to take out the keycap, the way they're set up, they're like little plastic thingies. So like when you take them out, when you take out the spacebar key, for example, there's a chance that if they were Co-Star stabs, you might take apart like a little plastic piece because those are like plate mounted or whatever. I just know that cherry stabs are better and they make better noise. The keyboard sounds more premium like that. Man, look at this box though. Like honestly, I hope the light isn't reflecting too badly. Yeah, just like look at the specs here. Oh my god, I can't wait to unbox this keyboard. Yeah, so let me swap the angles out so I can get a top-down view. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now that I have a nice clean view of the keyboard and my trusty little X-Acto knife here, I can precisely continue on with the video. Interesting thing, I did not have a product showcase on, yet my camera's able to focus on the blade of my knife. You see? It's interesting. Anyways, this is kind of far from me, so let me just see if I can open it from the bottom here. Probably gonna keep this box for a couple months. That's it. That's it. A little bit more. Okay. Man, I am so excited for this keyboard. You guys do not know how long I've been waiting for this keyboard. I've been waiting for this bitch. Sorry, curse words. I've been waiting for this baby for like a year, I want to say. Well, 4 months isn't a year, I know that, but it feels like a year. It's been a very, very long time, and I honestly thought this keyboard was like lost in the mail. But now that it is here, I can continue with the unboxing. So, let me just get this paper stuff on the side. Take away the shrink wrap. Take away this other cardboard thing. Now let me see. Camera is in view. Okay. So excited for this keyboard, and my camera's battery is gonna die, so this has to be a very short video. Oh boy. Okay, there it is. Come on. It's like an Apple. It's like an Apple product. Wow. There she is. Oh my god, I feel like I'm doing one of those asthma videos. I feel like I should be wearing gloves. But I'm not that OCD. Am I? Nah, I'm not that OCD. Okay. Let's try to take this out of the packaging. Ooh, it's heavy. Put this over here. Oh crap. Oh, there's actual more things there. Okay, so this is probably just a little graphic. I cannot read that, but I can read that language. Save that for later. Okay, let's get in here from the side. We get stickers in this packaging. Excuse me. I'm not editing that out. This is gonna be a one-take video. So these are the keycaps. These are the extra keycaps for customization. They hope they're not missing anything. Hope nothing's missing. Is there an extra space bar here? Nope. It's just this stuff. Okay. Keyboard's here. I have no idea what this is. Oh wait, is this what I think it is? Look at this. Ooh, it's a little spongy thingy. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a little cloth. Like to clean your keyboard. Wow, this is very soft. Premium, high quality. It's a cloth cleaning thing. And this is the keycap holder. Wow, you actually get some pretty cool stuff with this keyboard. Keycap holder. A mint green tealish looking keycap. It feels very sturdy actually. No bending, no wobbling. Like, hope you can see all that detail. It looks pretty. It's a pretty good space bar. What else do I get here? Oh yeah, this is probably just the cable for the keyboard. Won't be needing that because I have my own cable. And this is a USB to USB-C thingy, or an adapter, I want to say. That goes in here. And okay, so this was over here. This was probably, does it fit here? Nope. Are they okay? I'm assuming that's all it comes with. You can see the little guide for a second there. Yeah, no, I think I just need to connect the keyboard that I already have, and everything should be good. Stickers over there. Let's get onto the keyboard itself. Oh my god, look at this thing. This is beautiful. This is premium. This is definitely worth the $178 I spent on it. Oh my god. Wow. And it comes with a dust cover. Damn, that is the best keyboard ever, or that I've ever owned. And now for the sound test. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god, it's so fucking beautiful. You hear that? B for butter. Oh my god, you just have to love it. I gotta look at this keyboard. Even the space bar sounds amazing. It's like this frosted body is just, oh my god. The thing is, I don't know if they have software to manage the RGBs, but I'm sure I'll figure that out. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna have another part to this video, sort of like a 1-week trial or something to see how this keyboard plays out for me. But my god, listen to that sound test. I hope you can hear this. Oh my god, that's... The caps lock is a bit weird. Wow, it's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Let's see what one of these switches looks like, at least. Like, the dust cover, definitely gonna use that. I love that. I'm gonna take care of this keyboard as if it were my own child. Oh my god. I am so hyped for this keyboard. I'm hyped. I am beyond hyped. I am the literal hype. But I feel like there's some keycaps missing. I hope I'm wrong. I really hope that I'm wrong over here and there aren't any missing keycaps. Let's put this here. Oh, damn it. Wait a minute. I think I got it. Oh, I see. The keycaps go in here, and then this thing went in here. Yeah, and it all must have been a bit loose, but all in all, this keyboard is dope. Let's see if these switches are in... Damn it, I'm so nervous. Let's see if these switches are, in fact, TTC pink, or whatever the brand of switching is. Let's make sure I don't damage the keyboard over here. And there goes the keycap. Okay. Okay, so that's the switch. Let's see if I can zoom into the switch. Okay. That's what the switch looks like. This is a weird angle. Okay, you don't need to see the switches. I can see the switches. The switch is fine. I am curious about the stabilizers though. If they are in fact cherry stabilizers, then I should just be able to take out this enter key without any issues, right? I hope. Okay, don't break, please don't break. Oh god. Okay. I know what I'm doing, I'm a professional. There it is. Okay, perfect. Those are cherry stabilizers. If they were the CoStar ones... Wait a damn second. Did they break? They're not moving. I think it's because they're plate mounted. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Everything's fine. So next, what I'm going to be doing is a video of how this keyboard played out. Oh, I'm going to have to connect this keyboard, do some typing, and tell you guys how it was. Because right now, first impressions, this is like an unboxing first impressions video. This keyboard, buttery. It's literally mint. Best keyboard I've ever owned. I want to say it was worth the wait, but honestly, I wouldn't recommend pre-ordering this keyboard. If you want this keyboard, just buy it off Amazon. I'll be posting Amazon links down below. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. I'll be posting Amazon links down below to this product and also to the official website in case for whatever reason the Amazon store of IQUNIX doesn't work. Okay guys, so yeah, look forward to part 2 of this video. For now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought of this video. Did I miss anything, any information, anything you guys want me to cover on this keyboard? If so, please do let me know. I will be taking that into consideration for the part 2 of this video. Can't wait for that. So yeah guys, until next time, before my freaking camera dies, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.